What's up? This is Hillbilly Dipper here. This is my first video for this channel. I have another channel about reptiles, but I got rid of all them but one. So, yeah. Today, we got a little package from California. From mudjug.com. So we're gonna get cracking. I give mudjug.com 5 stars. They got it shipped quickly, and I give the United States Postal Service 5 stars. They got it quick too. So I ordered 2 things. I don't know if this box will be big enough. Oh, yep, they're both in here. It is 3:45. Just walked in the door from school, got changed. Receipt. The way they packed this, I know they're supposed to be indestructible, what I'm about to show you, but I would still like to see some stuff in it. But got a sticker. Yeah, it says Mudjug portable spittoons. So that'll probably go up on my truck. Our first thing is the orange roadie. Looks nice, actually. I like the color orange. Has a mud jug. It says mud jug and has a picture of a mud jug on the side. Hunter orange. That one ain't coming off. Then we got the Hunter Orange Classic mud jug. This also says mud jug on the side. This is what it looks inside. You got the funnel. So this one's sort of like your cars for like cup holders for on the go. This is called a roadie. This is just a classic mud jug. This is what it looks like inside. Then you got the funnel. Yeah, I ordered this stuff like 2 days ago. Yeah, exactly. Today's Thursday. I ordered it Tuesday, and they came in today. I don't know what time because I was at school. Like I said, this is well, now it's probably like 3:50. So yeah, 2 days for shipping. Outstanding. Like, mudjug.com is the way to go if you want to purchase stuff. They have all kinds. Shirts, they got bundles, they got lids for cans, for like chewing tobacco cans. They got all sorts of decorative mud jugs. I just got these for now, but I'll be ordering off them a whole bunch. These are supposed to be indestructible. You can't spill them. They're spill proof, smell proof. So yeah, that's that. This is my first video, so you guys got to see me take my first spit into it. So, thanks for watching. Like I said, thumbs up to mudjug.com and to the United States Postal Service. They both done excellent on getting my stuff to me. For the packaging, it was okay, I guess, since they're supposed to be indestructible, but only what they was in was this. Something like that. For both of them to set down in there, which that was okay. I'm not going to complain too much. But I paid $20 a piece for these. That was the cheapest you can get, almost $20 off mudjug.com. The more expensive, like the more expensiver you go is because the designs. So, yeah. And shout out to Outlaw Dipper. He's the one who inspired me to get some of these and start making videos. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is only the first one, many more to come. Oh, and I also got some stuff coming from Amazon. Now I know Amazon, they're slow at delivering, so I don't know what my next video will be, but I got some dips coming in that I'll be doing reviews on, and I'll probably have a couple friends over doing it too. Maybe we'll puke, maybe not, we'll see. Catch you guys later.